Step-by-step video guide on linking COVID-19 results. Step 1. You will receive a notification via WhatsApp and email. Proceed to click on the link provided. If you have yet to download the Dr.2U app, you will be directed to Google Play Store or App Store. Step 2. Your email and mobile number must be the same as the registered details at BPKLIA Screening Center, our website. Step 3. Open the app and click on the result icon. Click on Link Identification button to link your IC for Malaysians, or passport for non-Malaysians. Enter your identification number and click on Link button. Transaction Authorization Code (TAC) will be sent to the registered mobile number. Once linked successfully, you will receive a notification. Step 4. Pull to refresh and load your COVID-19 test result. Click on the COVID-19 test result to view details.